Hi everyone. So we're working on our letter home today. If your letter does not look like this, then you can refer to the other video. There are two versions of the letter home. So today we're going to be talking about our article this week, which was thanking hospital workers. We're going to start with dear. We're going to say, who are we writing to? Usually we like to write to our mom. Most of us choose mom, but we can also write to dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, etc., whoever you feel like. This week, the title of the newspaper was, so if you want to look at your webbing page or actually two pages, you can look at your article, you can look at your webbing page, or you can look at your definitions page. Those three resources will help you fill out this work. This week, the title of the newspaper was, and we'll look at our title, and it was called Thanking Hospital Workers. Sorry if it's behind the camera, but you can copy down what's in your article. It's also right in the middle of your webbing page. The people in the news were, so if you look on your who in your webbing page, who did we read about this week? The people in the news were, this is also one of our vocabulary words. We read about hospital workers. Hospital workers are like doctors, nurses, pharmacists, therapists, janitors, lots of people work in hospitals. I learned about places called, if we look at the places or the where on your letter, where do we learn about? I learned about places called hospitals. Hospitals are places we go to if we're not feeling well, if we get injured, break a leg, hurt ourselves somehow. If we're not feeling well, like really not feeling well, and we can't take care of it at home, we might go to a hospital. This one we made is for the recipes, but we don't have that because we didn't make anything this week at school. So you can think to yourself, what did you make this week? I know for myself, I made spaghetti. I made tacos. So you can think about what you made. It doesn't have to be a meal, it could be a snack, and we're going to put it next to we made. So I'm going to say we made tacos, spaghetti, sandwiches, dumplings. So that's what I made, but you can write something different. Maybe pizza. I learned 4 new words. So if you look on your definitions page, those are our 4 new words that we worked on this week. And they were hospital, which is where we go when we're not feeling well. It's a building that we go to where there's a lot of medical help. Hospital workers. So these are the people that work in the hospitals like we talked about earlier, such as doctors, nurses, therapists, pharmacists, custodians, office workers. Lots of people work in the hospital to keep it running, to make sure that we're safe. Thank, which means to show gratitude. So if we're thankful for something, we're glad that someone is helping us. We want to show them that we're grateful. And our last word is healthy. That means free from injury or sickness, that we're feeling good, we're not hurt, we're not feeling feeling sick or not good somehow. My favorite part of the story was, I'm going to write learning about hospital workers because they work hard to keep us healthy. So I wrote my favorite part of the paper was learning about hospital workers because they work hard to keep us healthy. You can write that as well, or you can write a different idea if you'd like. And then you're going to write from your name. So let's go over this. It says, Dear Mom, this week the title of the newspaper was Thanking Hospital Workers. The people in the news were hospital workers. I learned about places called hospitals. We made tacos, spaghetti, sandwiches, dumplings. I learned 4 new words: hospital, hospital workers, thank, and healthy. My favorite part of the paper was learning about hospital workers because they work hard to keep us healthy. From your name.